Hey everyone, hope you're well today. We're going to do a quick tutorial on how you out in Netflix. So I don't know about ye, but personally, I've often been presented with the time you sign into Netflix and you just want to watch your favorite show, and suddenly, you've reached the maximum number of screens. Really annoying. So okay, let's go through the process and how you knock someone out. First thing you do is sign into Netflix. Okay, so put in your details if you remember them. I had to practice this beforehand. Oops. Sorry, that was quite loud. Hope you couldn't hear that. So the first thing you do is go here, go to your account information. Once you're in your account information, go change password. So here you'll be presented to the screen. So you'll need to enter your current password. Then you need to put in your new password. You need to re-enter it. Make sure you've ticked this box here. So all this does is this requires all devices to sign in again with the new password. So if someone is using it currently, it should knock them out. Doesn't always, so just be careful. Okay. So click save. May take a second. So once you've done this, you've successfully changed your password. The next thing you need to do is you need to go and sign out of all devices. So just in case it didn't knock them out initially, when you click this it will knock them out. So next thing, sign out of all devices. You sure you want to sign out? Yeah, sign out. And that's that done. So now once you log out yourself and you log back in, everyone should be out and Netflix should be good to go.